The empire that is Microsoft has a plethora of weapons in its arsenal. It has Windows. It has Office. But most importantly, it has Xbox. What starts here changes the virtual world.
With the creation of the Xbox, Microsoft has busted into the video game industry. As Microsoft has traversed through this new landscape, it has had to grapple with Porter's five forces. Microsoft has had to reckon with competition with rivals, the bargaining power of customers, and the threat of new entrants. Through its struggles, Microsoft has implemented Cronky's 8 to supplement their business strategies. However, the war rages on.
Because of the availability of alternative consoles to the buyer, Microsoft has had to deal with and realize the bargaining power that its consumers have. Microsoft recently lowered the price on the Xbox 360 to cater to a demographic that is still nursing many financial bruises. Also, Microsoft has strived to appease their customers while employing a few principles of competitive advantage in an attempt to ebb the power of the consumer. With the release of their coup de grace, Halo, Microsoft has locked in a huge following. Soon after, in 2002, Microsoft launched Xbox Live, the most comprehensive online gaming network available to the public. This meant that if people wanted to play with their friends online, they would have to buy an Xbox and pay for Live. Furthermore, creating the Halo trilogy helped Microsoft sink its claws into the industry. Finally, Microsoft released the Xbox 360, a souped-up version of the Xbox, on November 26, 2005. Now Microsoft must look for the next big thing to maintain its presence in the market.
The next industry force that Microsoft faces is competition with rivals. Microsoft's biggest competitors in the video game industry are Sony and Nintendo. In 2005, Microsoft released the Xbox 360 and became the first of these three rivals to jump into the next generation of gameplay. The 360 was not uncontested for long, however. Microsoft was soon challenged by Sony's PlayStation 3 and Nintendo's Wii, both who looked to rival Microsoft's new Xbox. Equipped with a Blu-ray player and brilliant graphics, the PS3 used aesthetics to strike the gamer's eye. Nintendo brought out the big guns with the Wii as it introduced the newest wave in home gaming, motion capture technology. Both systems saw great success and instantly became formidable opponents of the 360. Microsoft has and is responding to the rivalry in a multitude of ways. Right about the time the PS3 was released, Microsoft launched a bigger and better version of its Xbox Live. It did this to enhance its existing product and also to continue to lock in customers by offering a gaming community that only Xbox 360 owners get to experience. Thus far, this tactic has proved very effective, as Xbox 360 sales still far exceed those of the PS3. In order to combat the Wii, Microsoft has had to do more than just enhance existing products. Due to the avant-garde nature of the Wii, Microsoft has realized the need for a completely new product. This product has taken the form of Natal, a motion capture entertainment console that doesn't require a joystick like the Wii. Natal was demoed in the 2009 E3 conference this past summer and took the world by storm. With Natal in its future, Microsoft has high hopes of knocking off the Wii and becoming the king of interactive gameplay technology.
The newest threat facing Microsoft is the emergence of the new iPhone applications. iPhone applications are looking to not only storm the gaming industry, but also become the main competitor against Microsoft's Live Arcade, which is a feature offered on the Xbox Live Marketplace. iPhone applications and Live Arcade have many commonalities, including an easy-to-use download service for simplistic, reasonably priced games. In order to combat the rise of applications, Microsoft will need to employ Cronky's 8. Microsoft has already taken steps to enhance its products by piggybacking on Apple's freely available product. Recently, Microsoft endorsed a third-party application for the iPhone that will help make Xbox names known in the application world. The Zumbi network has created Inside Xbox 360, which allows the user to see his and his friends' live profiles, get the latest news in the Xbox world, and watch Xbox-related videos. In the future, Microsoft should try to create new products, such as an application system for the Xbox Marketplace that will help to compete with iTunes. Also, it should try to lock in customers by adding more games to its arcade list and by introducing special deals to loyal customers.
Throughout the life of his Xbox 360, Microsoft has effectively utilized Cronky's 8 to handle the bargaining power of customers, the competition with rivals, and the threat of new entrants. The video game industry is a versatile market, but fortunately, Microsoft is ready to adapt and evolve. The Xbox 360 is only one page in the saga of Microsoft. Who knows what is in store for this company as it glides into the future?